as soon as I see that mirrored finish on the track, I think, slow down.
Well, that was pretty smooth by King George. He's not doing purple sectors, but he's doing a lot of green, and he does go to 5th fastest.
Not too bad, not too bad.
And right now, this is almost a 2-minute lap. So as we get closer to only 4 minutes to go, you're only only going to see these guys with one shot, maybe two, if they get lucky.
Painfully slow, doesn't it?
Yeah. That section is absolutely the most difficult, it looks like right now.
Well, Piastri's holding on to his title hopes with both hands and the steering wheel at the moment. He leads the way. Well, I said, didn't I, at the end of Q2, if he does make the top 3, it'll be a miracle story.
So close.
Good lap by Verstappen, goes second, 49. From F1 because obviously that is the jeopardy.
Less than a 10 separate. In the rain.
Yeah, that's insane too.
You actually have the first 4 cars within 2 tenths in the wet.
Well, it's been that way all season. Last time out of Sao Paulo, a second, and that's the closest top 10 in history. Can you reply, Mr. Norris?
It's exactly the apex he'd want there.
That was nice.
Using
No
both curbs.
No. 2, 3 little jaunts sideways there will not help the overall lap time, but he was.
He actually used the just to rotate the car through the turn.
Yeah, in fact, actually, he gained a lot there. 148.3. He hits the top. It's the McLarens 1 and 2, and that's the first time they've never been in the top 5 in either qualifying or a race here in Vegas.
And they've timed it to where not only 1 lap, but 2.
Is there a last roll of the dice here in Vegas for one of these 10 drivers? Yeah, this is punishing these intermediates now because you do have. Go on, George.
That's right here. George will have 1 more lap to try to fight for that pole position.
He did improve to 7. Solus?
No purple sectors flashing across our timing screens at the moment.
No.
Have these intermediate tires had enough?
Yeah, you get the feeling, don't you? And there's always the jeopardy, even though there's 14 seconds to go. Still, the McLaren 1 and 2 as the clock ticks down. Agile improves to 6. Lawson ahead of him in 5th. Sainz on a lap. Lawson goes to 3rd. That would be his best qualifying.
Very impressive lap from Liam Lawson there. Last lap shootout.
Absolutely. Drew Days wins.
Lando on a flyer.
Here we go, folks.
Russell even getting a toe.
Yes. And he's setting some purple sectors too. Yep. So, normal service resumed. Wet or dry, Verstappen. Started 17, didn't it?
The city's just won't go straight.
Nope.
This could be a big lap for George up against toe.
Look at Norris. Lando's got 2 purples and looking very good indeed.
Can the World Championship leader do it?
But yellow sectors 2 and 3. Will that one affect Norris?
Jolly good.
Jolly good show. That was just dynamite. And I have to say, in the last 2 months,
He's risen to every occasion. This guy is on another level right now.
well, everybody said that McLaren were going to write this off and went to Qatar. Now I know the conditions are in it, but it doesn't matter. You've all got the same conditions. Norris has just been better.
Absolutely. And I mean, now qualifying Max Verstappen in the rain as well by 0.3 of a second.
That is a huge benchmark for him to lead.
With a mistake, too. With a mistake in the last corner.
Yeah, with a
Lost
huge
some time.
mistake on the last corner. I've known Lando since he was 15, and he's always been, pretty humble. But he needs something like these sorts.